In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bill in Bill.com. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the left, you want to go to Bills, click on it, and click on All Bills. From here, to create a bill, you want to click on Enter Bill top right, and then from here, of course, you can go ahead and start creating your bill. Now, for a quicker method, you could just go to Actions top left, and from here, you could click on Enter a Bill, and it's going to open up the same page. Here, you have to select your vendor. If you don't have any, you can click on Add New Vendor, and you can put in their info over here, and then continue and save them. So I do have one vendor over here, which I'm going to use for this example. Then you have to put on the invoice number. It's going to be 100 for me. You can add on the PO number, the payment term, and then you have to add the invoice date as well as the due date. So I'm going to make the due date over here the end of July 2026, and then the amount is going to be $500. Now, if you want to add a bill description, you can put that over here, and then you have to decide if it's, of course, a one-time bill or a recurring one. Then down here, you can see your expenses, and you can also add your accounts, so you can, of course, select or add new ones if you have to. And then down here, you can add expenses if you have multiple, or, of course, go over here, and you can add even more if you wanna. Then down here, if you have approvers, put them here, and then notes on this bill go here. And if you are syncing to something like QuickBooks Online like me or something similar, you can also use this check mark down here. Now over here on the left, you could also upload an invoice if you have it. So if I click on over here and search for like an invoice, which I do have over here, for example, you can go and put it in here. Now this is just a simple bill over here, but you get the point, okay? So that's basically what you have to do, and then just hit this create bill button at the bottom right, and whenever you do this, you'll basically successfully create a bill. So as you can see, it's over here, and that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.